morning, everyone. Good morning. Today is a very good weather. I am in Auto Temple, Wat Lao Bura Satha Thama. They have celebrate Lao New Year celebration. Here is very good, very beautiful temple. This is a new one. And this building just finished. And this year Lao Sangha community will come together. All Lao Sangha community in USA will come this place in Georgia, Auto, Georgia, and we will big Sangha meeting, big Sangha meeting in this temple on June start 6 to okay.
คนบอกให้ไปผู้ใดไปก็บ่ไป
Okay. ไปโหลด
แต่เงินดีซะนี่
โดย Big Sangha meeting in this temple. But today they have Lao New Year celebration. And next week, don't forget, if you want to join Lao New Year celebration in Wat Lao Buddha Khanti 25 to 26. See, beautiful temple. This one is the Buddha birthday. Let me show you. It's Buddha birthday. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Today is just review the Wat Lao Buddha Satha Thama in Auto, Georgia. This Buddha birthday. This Buddha for Monday, Tuesday, and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. สบายดีพุทโธ This building is celebrate this building on June 6 to 14. I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, this is Naga, big Naga, new one. It's a very big temple. สมโพธิสิมโอ้ไม่ออกจะมาสมโพธิเนาะสมโพธิสิมมาเด้อมาเด้อ is we call Sima this building we call Sima is very important for the temple. Every temple have to need the Sima to to ordain the monks, the new monks. The monk if people want to become a monk, we can ordain. The Osangka cannot ordain in any place. They only ordain in the uposatha or Sima.
เอาน้ำได้
Where is Bulong? Bulong is he is he stay with trainer. I drop him 3 days. Yeah. He will train 2 weeks. He will train 2 weeks. In there, yeah. They have the activity about Sangha activity, many activity only in the meditation hall, or we call Sima. Yes. And if you see the many Lao temple, they have the Mother Earth statue. This Mother Earth statue. This Mother Earth statue is represent about the symbol of the what you like a good karma, what you did before is your like a Mother Earth can like a represent of the you can your karma, your action can prove yourself, not by the other people. You can prove yourself by your action, your good karma. You see, when the Buddha at the night, when he before he become got enlightened, before he become a Buddha, he sit under the 40 tree, and that moment the Mara come to him and try to fight with the Buddha and ask for the seat for the Buddha. Is where the Buddha sits. He told the Buddha, that seat is belong to me, not yours. The Buddha he just he just told the Mara, this is I prepare many past life in I practice to become a Buddha. Yeah. And that's why nobody stay with him, with the Buddha, but he point in the earth. This the earth can prove with what I have done before. That's why the Lao temple, many Lao temple usually build the Mother Earth statue to represent the to be strong and to be more confident in our action, our karma, our good karma. What about the Naka? The Naka in Lao culture, and the Naka have the history together with the Buddha story. Good morning. Then it is the huge responsibility to be an abbot of the temple, not only spiritual but is other way. Are you chosen on experience or how long you been among? I have been among 24 years, and this is a huge responsibility. Yeah, yes, I have the more responsibility to become a abbot in my temple. Are you chosen on experience? Yes, of course. When the temple looking for the airport, they have to I don't know how to say in qualify, right? Qualify chosen. They have experience, they have knowledge, they can lead the many people. Today they have celebrate Lao New Year in the that's downstairs, but not here. Not here is just a Buddha place. Buddha place. Very good weather today. สบายดีทุกคน say hi to Sang for me if you see her. Yes, I saw her last a few minutes. Beautiful temple. Why we build the Naka in front of the Sima? Because we in Lao culture, Lao history, Lao people, they born from the Naka. This is that story, Many country they have their own story, but for Lao people, we believe we born from the Naka, and the Naka protect the Buddhism. That's why we build every meditation hall. We build the Naka, two Naka in front of the meditation hall. For that mean they protect the Buddha. But just the story. Like many many country they have their own story about the God, about protector. Sabadi. It's a beautiful for the Buddha birthday. I want to build the Buddha birthday like this, but in my temple we don't have the Buddha like this. We have to order from Thailand. It's very expensive, and we have to build the stand, the state, and a lot of temple looking for the builder to build the material like this. Is very difficult because in USA we have the 250 more monks, but only less than 5 monks can create the material like this, the art like this, the Lao art. Yeah. And when you come to pay respect, you just what date you was born, and you are in front the date, and in front the Buddha, and Busha, we call Busha, or worship. Yeah. Today is the first day of Lao celebration, Lao New Year celebration in this temple. And today and tomorrow, you can join. It's a public. You can join Lao New Year. I want to go over there, but I don't have the way. Maybe I can try this way. No, I cannot. How about this way? This way I cannot too. Maybe if I go this way, I will lose the other leg. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Just review for you who cannot come. Okay, I will talk about but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I explain wrong. It's just don't listen. Okay. This the Buddha represent Sunday, the Sunday Buddha Sunday. When the Buddha he got enlightened early. He walking meditation. He walking meditation. This the represent of the Sunday. And the second one, the Buddha, he he's try to stopping his relative fight each other. The Kabira Wattu city and Tewataha city. His relative, they fight with each other about the water. They fight for the water, not fight for the gas like this moment. Why fight for the water? Because the city above the river, they build the dam, and don't allow the water come to the city. They below the city, below the river. Yeah, that's why the Buddha come and try to stop them. They mostly fighting. They close to fighting, but when the Buddha come and ask them, why are you here? They say, I'm here for fight disorder because they don't allow the water come. The Buddha say, okay, do you think your life? Do you think your life and the water, which one is important? Which one is important? Very important. They say our life is important. But why you fight each other? You kill each other because of the water. You have to be careful, be mindful. Don't do anything with you are angry, but you have to fix everything with your mindful. They say okay, and they lay down the weapon and hug each other and say goodbye. See you tomorrow, they say. And this one the Buddha represent Tuesday Buddha. When the Buddha, we call the Buddha when he almost passed away, he lay down under the tree, but he still Dhamma talk. He still Dhamma talk to the monks and to the lay people. That's we call Pang Parinipan. This Parinipan, this means pass away. The Buddha passed away. Represent the Tuesday, and this day is Wednesday. Wednesday, you call he correct the food. Wednesday day. That's Wednesday. Wednesday night. They have two for Wednesday. Okay, I back up. Backward. This the Buddha for Wednesday. I'm not sure it's Wednesday day or Wednesday night. I'm not sure. It's between two of them. One is the standing correct armbo. They correct the food. He correct the food, and this one the Buddha. when he stay in the Palelayaka forest, and he stay alone. He stay alone, and the elephant, but not like this, but big elephant, big elephant, and the monkey just support the Buddha and bring the Buddha everything like a fruit, vegetable, bring to the Buddha. Because the Buddha, nobody stay with the Buddha. The Buddha told all the monks, okay, don't follow me. I want to stay alone. Stay by myself. Nobody to interrupt me. I want to deep meditate. That only animal to stay with the Buddha. This the Wednesday represent of the Wednesday, both of them. And this one is the Thursday. The we call Pang Samadhi meditation character. That's for meditate. Did you see? When the Buddha meditate, he open the eyes. Why? Because he don't want to sleep. He want to be mindful when he practice mindfulness. This for Thursday, and this one for Wednesday. For Friday. Friday is mean the Buddha. He think about the deep Dhamma, about Paccayyakan or Ithappaccayata. That means the circle of suffering. This Dhamma is a very, very, very deep and very difficult to understand. But if you understand this Dhamma, it help you a lot about your in Bali we call avijja paccaya sankhara, avijja sankhan vinyan nam rup sarayatana. The process of suffering. He think about the process of suffering when the suffering come because of this one happen, because of this one happen. Understand the Four Noble Truths. The first one we call suffering, right? Suffering, cause of suffering, end of suffering, the way to end of suffering. But the process when the suffering happen, because they have the process, every step. You have to learn about the Paccayyakan or Ithappaccayata. Is a very, very important one. Next day we will talk about this with Ajahn Mahakhamani. Or he think about the deep Dhamma. He stand and like a meditation, standing meditation. And the last one is represent the Saturday Buddha. When the Buddha got enlightenment early, he stand by. He sit under the mujjalin tree. That day is a very, very heavy storm, very heavy rain, and the wind come. But the Buddha only he don't have anything to protect himself because he sit outside only under the tree. But the Mujjalintha Naka come and somebody. the Mujjalintha Nakha come and the Mujjalintha Nakha he thought I will protect the Buddha by my body. That's why he come and he stay around the Buddha and for protect the Buddha. That's the Nakha. They very respectful to the Buddha. That's why many Lao temple we have the Nakha to build in the Lao temple. They represent all the respectful. Okay, I'm gonna stop the live stream. Thank you everyone. Thank you. If you come to join Lao New Year celebration here, don't forget to come to say hi. Feel free to come to say hi. Good morning. The temple is outstanding. How are you? I'm good. Also, Bun Long is a good. He stay with the trainer. He will stay with the trainer for 2 weeks. And thank you for Kim. She offered the money for train Bun Long train for Bun Long train. He will become a good boy, but he be a good boy now. But I want he to be a best boy, to be better. Don't steal my shoot again. You see, it's a him. When I come here, I have the new one. Someone order the shoes for my new one. But this one is it's still I can use it. Maybe next time I will use the new one. Okay. Thank you for watching and Happy Lao New Year. How long is this make the build this temple? Wow, almost 20 years. But this building almost 10 years. This building. Good morning, madam. Today is peaceful day. Yes. รับชมจากจันมหาฐานะรับชมจาก French Bonjour It's beautiful, your temple so beautiful. Do all the bright color represent certain thing. Bright color, bright core. I don't understand this word. Chorus. I don't know. Okay, I'm hot now under the sun. Okay, thank you. Thank you. But a lot of question. Sorry, I can. Do you speak with Bante Pandakara often in the walk for peace? Oh, yes. When we walk together at night, we meeting every night. When I walk with them, after we finish chanting and meditating, we talk with each other and what happened and what would we do next tomorrow. This is not my temple. Is not my temple. It's the auto temple. My temple in Snellville, Wat Lao Buddha Khanti to Lao Buddha Khanti. Next week we have Lao celebration, Lao New Year celebration. Happy to learn about the Naka. Thank you ขอให้ท่านมีความสุขแข็งแรงมีความสุขสงบสาธุโอเค